that you just made, loop around and pull through. Once you have 2 loops on your hook, you wrap the yarn around again and pull through those 2. Then for the next one, you go into the chain, pull up a loop, wrap around, and pull through. Again, go into the chain, wrap around, and pull through that chain, then wrap the hook and pull through. Through the chain, wrap the hook, pull through, wrap the hook, pull through. Through the chain, wrap the hook, pull through, wrap the hook, pull through. And you continue on to all the way down the end of the chain. What I saw you doing was you were going into the chain, but you were using that as your second loop and then pulling everything through. That is not the stitch that we're working with.